Hi. In last video, we have seen how we can update the table, how we can drop the table, how we can truncate the table, and how we can delete the record from the table. I hope you got that points clearly. In this video, we are going to focus on filtering data, like how we can filter the table data in different form or in different way. So first of all, I'm going to show how we can use the equals to, greater than, less than, not equals to operator along with the where clause. So I hope you already remember this where clause. We have already seen how we can use the where clause. So let's start. But before going to start, I want to show you my table data so you will get clear idea what kind of data I have. So to see the data, we have a command select star from table name. So what is the table name? In my case, it says students. So let me show you the data. So here I have ID, name, age and marks. And the people who following my playlist, so they might be confused why marks is showing like this, not percentage symbol is showing. So let me tell you, I have updated that table and I have removed that percentage sign. Okay. So don't be confused where that percentage sign. So right now, this is the data I have. So as I told you, I want to learn how I can use the operators, arithmetic operators like greater than, less than, equals to, this kind of things. So for example, uh, your manager told he want he want the record from the table whose age is greater than 20. Okay, this kind of requirement your manager told. So what you will do, simply type select star from then table name. And if we have to apply any condition, we can simply add where clause. For that, where. So what your manager told, he told he want the record from the table whose age is greater than 20. At that time you have to use this greater than operator. Now you can simply run and give this record to your manager, and you can tell, hey, this is the record from student table where all the age is greater than 20. But what if your manager told I want less than 20? Then you can simply do okay. Hey, this is the record which is age having less than 20. So I hope you get clear idea where you can use the greater than operator and less than operator. But what if your manager is told I want the record from the student table where age is not equals to 20? So there is a two way you can do. First of all, one second. If you write like this and let me run this command, see, you are getting all the record from the table whose age either less than 20 or greater than 20, but you are not getting any record which is equals to 20. So this is one way you can do. And if you are not comfortable with this one, so what you can do, you can simply type, one second, this kind of thing, and let me run. This one also going to be give same result. So this is way how you can achieve your requirement. But as I told you, and we know very well, our manager is not a good person. He wants to trouble you again and again. So he might be add one more condition, like like he want to add condition like I want the record from the student table where age is not equals to 20, and I want only those record whose marks is greater than, for example, 70. So how you can add one more condition? So it's very simple. What you can do, see, up to this you are able to give your manager, like your manager give two statements. First of all, he want the record from the student table where age is not equals to 20. This is one statement. Second, he want, and I want the marks of the student which is greater than 70. So he added two conditions. So what you can do, simply type and And what is the condition? Marks greater than 70. Okay, so let me run the command. Now you can see we are getting the only those record whose age is not equals to 20 and the marks is greater than 70. Correct? So this is the way how you can achieve this thing. So here what we have seen how we can use the less than operator, how we can use the greater than operator, how we can use the not equals to operator, and we have also seen how we can add one more additional condition in the existing condition. So with the help of the and, we can add the additional condition also. And for example, your manager want to change the statement. He want less than. So simply do like that. So now it is going to give you record whose age is less than 20 and marks is greater than 70. So if you see here, all the age whatever we have, it's a less than 20 and the mark greater than 70. If he want greater than, you can simply apply greater than. Now you can see all the age is greater than 20. And for example, he want equals to, then simply give this one. So this is the way how you can write the query. Okay. So the next things what your manager told might be he don't want to take this second condition too much serious. Why? Because let me tell you. For example, what is the problem with the and condition? See, unless and until both the condition is not true, then it will not return anything. So, for example, you are writing any marks greater than 100, but if you have seen my table, there is a no record who's having marks greater than 100. At that time, this condition is going to be false. And there is a one very big problem with this and condition. If any one of the condition is going to fail, it will not return anything. Let me run. See, we are not getting anything because there is a no student whose marks is greater than 100. If you want, I can show you my original table. You can see here. Let me sort it. If you double click, then it will sort. Okay. See the maximum 95. So this is the problem with the AND condition. It will only return the data if both the condition from left side of the and right side of the and is true, then only it will return the data. So this is the problem of the and. So might be your manager told me, hey, do one thing. I want all the records from the student table whose age is equals to 20. This is the one condition, primary condition, which is we have to follow. After that, add one more condition whose age is greater than 100. But we know there is a no greater than 100. But at that time, if I use the AND condition, then I'm not getting anything. If you see here, I'm not getting anything. But my manager told, no. Even this second condition is false, but I want to this first condition to work. So at that time, what you can do, you can use OR. Let me run. See, with the help of the OR, age is the equals to 20. So we are getting all the record whose age is 20, and we are also getting the record whose marks is not greater than 100, but still we are getting, because 90 is less than 100, but still we are getting. Why? Because OR condition work like if any one of the condition either from left side or right side is true, then it will return the result. So this is the use of the OR condition. Okay. Then we have one more operator, not.